Hello everyone, welcome to Project with Gaurang. In this video, we are going to create our first Svelte application. To create a Svelte application, first you need to install Node.js. I would recommend any latest LTS version of Node.js you can install. Don't use this current and don't use the versions which does not have this LTS written in them. It is just that LTS versions are best for developers. After this, you would require a text editor. You can use any text editor you like, but for this series, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. So you can install from this link code.visualstudio.com/download. And you can use any installer, like for Windows, there are options for Linux and for Mac also. After installing VS Code, we are going to install two extensions. These are Svelte for VS Code and Svelte 3 snippets. Just search Svelte in here and you will find these extensions. I have already installed them. This will be helpful in our development process. Now we will create our Svelte application. For this, first let's close all this and in command line type npm, not npm, npm create white @latest. Then enter. Now you have to give your project a name. I'm giving Lecture-2. Package name also you can give anything. I'm keeping it as such. Now choose Svelte here. Then you can choose TypeScript or JavaScript. For now, I'm choosing JavaScript. Now it has created our project. So here you can see scaffolding project is created. Now here there are some files. So then cd lecture2 enter. For just checking, you can use ls. Now we will install all the dependencies using npm install. It will take some time. After npm install is finished, then we will type npm run dev. Enter. And now you can see our app is running. So if I go to localhost 5173, this app will show up. So let's go there. So localhost 5173. So here you can see our app is created. So here it is a very bare bone app which is given by the Svelte developers. So here we have created our first Svelte project. So that's all for this video. In next video, I'm going to explain this project structure, that what each folder means here. One more thing, that if you do some research, you will also find that there is another way of creating a Svelte app, which is this npm digit svelte.js/template. This we will not use because this is now not maintained actively. So we will use this method which I just used. So we will meet in next video. Till then, bye.